Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In this video we will learn Dammatain, which is slightly inward tail which is written above the letters. For example, look at this symbol. It's called Dammatain. In other words, you can call double Dhamma. I hope you remember the Dhamma which we have learned in the previous videos. So this is Alif, and when we use Dammatain above the Alif, it makes Un sound. And this is Ba. When we use Dammatain above the Ba, it makes Bun sound. So I hope you got the point. And remember, Dammatain is always used above the letters. Okay, so let's start. Un, bun, tun, thun, jun, hun, khun, dun, zun, run, zun, sun, shun, sun, dun, tun, zun, un, ghun, fun, qun, kun, lun, mun, nun, hun, wun, yun. So that's it. Easy and simple. Keep learning and practicing. It will help you to understand Arabic reading and writing. You just need to recognize the letters and shapes. Also the symbols. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, then like this video and share with others. And also subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Arabic lessons. See you.